What? Hi! God damn it.
Is everything okay? I heard you screaming from the kitchen.
Obiora.
Yes, sir.
We need to employ the services of a cook. Okay?
Sir, is my cooking that bad?
Is your cooking that bad? Your cooking is terrible. And today is the worst I've ever seen.
I'm sorry, sir. I thought I could satisfy you.
No. Don't try to satisfy me. Kitchen is not your office. I need you to print vacancy for a cook. Paste it on the gate. We need to employ a cook before weekend. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, can I quickly make you
No.
something?
Don't make anything. Just take this off.
Waiting happen again. This one you are looking confused and all worked out. What is it? Oga Fire don't burn you again?
Why is this man so mean now? Why is he wicked like this?
What happened again? What is it?
The man, he just doesn't appreciate anybody's effort. He was just breaking all the place. So mean, so disrespectful. You're trying, no?
See, you can never please my Oga. It's either he likes you or he does not. That is it. So what did he say?
He said he doesn't like my food. My food. Okay.
There's nothing I can do, okay? If you say he doesn't like it, that is it.
Uncle, so you want me to go and be looking for work outside? There's no work outside, please.
You have to go and look for work. What do you want to do?
Uncle,
you want to stand here?
Help me talk to him now.
Talk to who? My Oga Duncan?
Yes.
Oga Duncan? He wants to get me into trouble.
Uncle, please.
Please come and start going.
I'm your sister too, please.
If that man comes and see you here, I'm in trouble. Please.
Uncle, wait, Uncle, please.
Start going, I beg. Go.
Uncle, are you sure?
I can't help you. I beg. I said go.
Okay. Uncle.
Yes, I'm coming. You are here.
Hey.
Come.
This is fine.
Very. Now, this is it, eh? I don't make everything easy for you.
Wow.
I've told you his best foods, right?
No wahala.
Go inside and make me proud.
I go run now. You know my sugar baby now.
I trust you.
No worry. Where I go past them?
Go this way.
Hi. This is fine.
Be a good girl. Later, eh?
The son of his father. Son, I called you earlier, you didn't pick up.
I'm sorry, Dad. I was busy with something in the library when you called. I just finished now.
Okay. How's it going over there?
I'm doing great. I'm just occupied with so many engagements. My thesis papers, research, and all that. I never knew schooling abroad could be this hectic and stressful.
But if it's for your own good.
I know.
I miss you every day, son. Every day.
I've missed our daily gist. You know how much I long to hear your voice every day. But right now, we can go 1 week without talking because of academic activities here. Damn.
Oh, well, it's very necessary you get all the education that you need over there. So I understand everything that is going on. But most importantly, I want you to pay attention to everything you're learning over there. You know, education there is different from the one here in Nigeria. There is teamwork, there is, good camaraderie. But here in Nigeria, lecturers are not even motivated to teach the students properly. So, I understand.
Can I call you back right now, Dad? Please, I have something to attend to. I'll call you back right now. Thank you.
That's okay. Be good, son. Okay, bye. Come in.
Well done, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir. So I came to inform you I will be leaving any moment from now, sir. Sir, a girl will be coming here tomorrow morning for an interview. If you don't mind, I will forward her contact to you so you would attend to her, sir.
Do what you must, Obiora. And
Okay,
I pray
sir.
for your sake. You don't turn out like the others.
I pray so, sir. I pray so too, sir.
When are you coming back from your mother's place?
Tomorrow evening.
All right.
Sandra.
Where are you up to this morning?
What are you doing here by this time? What did you do here?
I came to see you now. Yeah?
What are you doing here?
I came to see you. What did your boss say?
He did not say anything, just that he does not like the food you prepared for him.
Well, you said you were going to do something about it, even if he does not like my cooking. I mean, that was our bargain.
Sandra, you must understand there are limits to what I can convince my boss to do. You should know that.
But you never told me this when you were convincing me to open my leg.
I beg, open your leg. I drag your leg open. Which one be convincing you to open your leg?
Obiola, you took advantage of me.
I did not take any advantage of you. Have you forgotten you were promising to do everything, anything, whatever it takes to get this job? Now it's working against you. It's not my fault now.
God will punish you, Obiola. God will punish you plenty times.
Sandra, it is this swear still they work. If they work, our governors, presidents, all of them for don't die now. So try something new, I beg.
Guy, your own go spoil. And they tell you say your own go spoil. You see that work where you get? We make you the booger like this so. I promise you, me, Sandra, let me go make sure say they sack you for this work.
Are you done?
Fool like you.
Are you? Are you done? In case you don't mind, I have some important businesses to attend to. Wait till you still they wait for. Come on here.
What happened? You want to me?
Welcome to my house. I would like to know more about you.
What's your name?
Chimamanda, sir.
Chimamanda. Where are you from?
Imo State, sir.
Imo?
Yes, sir.
Where do you stay in Lagos?
Yes, sir. I stay on the mainland, Ayaba, sir.
Yaba.
Yes, sir.
You do understand why you're here.
Yes, sir.
So how are you going to commute yourself from the mainland to the island every day?
Besides, I used to work on the island before, and I have my ways of navigating the mainland and the island. I use the morning bus, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I have my reasons for asking. You know why you're here? You are here for the job of a cook.
Yes, sir.
Sadly, I am a very busy person. I find it hard to cook for myself these days because of my job. So I'm very particular about the person that's going to be cooking for me in this house.
Okay, sir.
Now I'm very particular about a lot of things. Are you good with hygiene?
Yes, sir.
You certain?
Yes, sir.
Have you cooked professionally before?
No, sir, but I can cook professionally, sir.
Okay, you have me confused. You've not cooked professionally, but you can cook professionally.
So I cook in a professional way, sir.
What are your best delicacies that you can cook?
So I can make intercontinental and African dishes as well. Both of them, I do them well, sir.
All right. Just give me 1 second. Okay.
So let me show you to the kitchen so you pick it up for me.
Okay, sir. Can I leave my bag?
Yes, this way.
Yeah. How are you, Chimamanda? Yes, resume tomorrow. You've got the job already.
All right, sir. Noted. Thank you. Thank you so much.
One more thing. His breakfast is by 7 o'clock. He doesn't joke with it. So make sure you are here by 7. We hate lateness in this house. Keep the time.
I won't. Besides, I can resume this evening if you want me to.
Tomorrow is okay.
Okay, then. I'll be at the house by 7.
Chimamanda, keep yourself clean. If there are manicures and pedicures, cut them off.
No, I don't have those. I don't have those.
If you say so. See you tomorrow morning. And don't be late.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Who is that? I'm coming.
Good morning.
Good morning. Who are you and how can I help you?
My name is Chimamanda. I'm the new chef, sir.
Chimamanda,
Yes, sir.
So why are you coming by this time?
I'm sorry, sir.
Yesterday I told you to resume by 7, right?
I'm sorry, sir.
No, you keep quiet. I'm still talking. Now you've made my Oga miss his breakfast.
I'm sorry, sir.
Go upstairs and tell him you are sorry yourself. Come inside. Go and tell him yourself you are sorry. On your first day of resumption, you are coming late. Does that show any sign of seriousness?
Good morning, sir.
Chimamanda, you're late. This is past 8.
I'm sorry, sir.
You're sorry. I've missed my breakfast.
Sir, I'm sorry. I had things to attend to at school, so...
No. This is what I will not entertain. Excuses. I don't like it at all. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, sir. Sir, if you won't mind, I got this food for you from my side. Mama Salome, she makes the best food in my area, sir. You like it. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
You have 2 options. If this late coming is going to be a problem for us, you have 2 options. 1, you quit this job.
Sir, I cannot quit. Second option, sir.
Second option, you pack your things and come and live in this house.
Second option. Okay, sir.
Because I would not want this to repeat itself again.
Okay, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So make arrangements to move your things in here.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
I would like to eat nsala soup with semo when I come back.
Okay, sir. What protein would you like?
Snail.
Okay, sir.
I'll send you some money for you to get some of the other ingredients you need, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Who is it?
Chimamanda, sir.
What do you want?
I wanted to know if there's anything I can do for you, sir.
I don't need anything. You can go to bed.
Okay, good night, sir.
I don't want you to cook anything for breakfast. I love the soup you made. I'll have it in the morning.
All right, sir.
Hello, son. I called you earlier and you never picked your call. How are you?
I'm sorry, Dad. I have been busy with school activities.
Too busy for your old man? At least when you see my call, return it immediately.
Dad, I know I should have called back, but before I get back home, you may have gone to work. You know the time differences. Besides, I don't even want to distract you at work.
Can never be a distraction to me, son. You are my son. Okay? Anyways, how is your studies? How is it going?
Well, like I said, fine. I just need some money to run my project. My account is on red. Can you send me some cash?
You don't have to ask. You're my son. My responsibility. I will forward some money to you before I sleep, okay?
Wow, thank you. But you don't sound too good. Is anything the matter?
I am fine, Morgan.
Dad, a closed mouth can't be fed.
I took some flowers to your mother's grave today. I miss her so much. And I told her you're doing well in school, you know. I'm sure she's proud of you. Definitely made her smile. I also told her how much I miss her every day.
I'm sorry, Dad. I'm sorry she died because of me. She couldn't even wait to see her own son that she brought into the world. I'm sorry. I wish I'm right there with you right now. Trust me, I'm sorry.
Not your fault. Stop saying sorry. You did nothing wrong, okay? You take care. Let me go to bed now.
Dad, are you sure you're going to be alright?
I'll be fine. Okay? I love you, son.
I love you, Dad.
Alright, let me forward you the money. Okay? Bye.
Mommy, I will send you the money. Eh? The people I worked for, they're here to pay me. I will send you the money. And that lady self, eh? The nurse, I sent her money like 2 days ago now. Why is she demanding for more? I will send the money. Just wait for me. I will send the money. I will call you later. Look at my life. Eh?
Now what?
No, you are such a sweet girl, baby.
That's what you always say when you want to sleep with me.
But you know I cannot hide how much I love you.
You love me.
Of course you know that.
Yet you could not get a cooking job for me in your house.
Babe, are we going over this conversation again?
That's the point, Obiora. I need to know that you love me beyond sex.
Baby, stop this now. Come on, you know I love you beyond sex. What is this?
Are you sure?
Of course, you know that.
Yeah.
No, you are very sweet. My angel.
See, so there's this guy that I've been chatting with. I met him online, one of these dating apps.
Okay.
And he said he's a Nigerian based in the US.
Wow.
He's obsessed with me already. But me, I don't love him, but he said he has money to spend, so.
So, what is keeping you? Come on, play along and get some dollars for us, baby.
But what if he comes back to Nigeria? I mean, he says he will be coming back soon.
You ghost him, of course. Like you don't know what to do again.
Sorry, no see anything. I just want to fetch water.
Go and fetch your water, beg. So why are you still turning back? Go, I beg. So stay, Joe. What is it? Feel free. Come on, kiss daddy.
So are you okay? Are you okay?
Just a little fever. I'm okay.
Okay, let me just go and call the family doctor. I'm coming back.
No.
Why?
There's no need for that. Just give me my paracetamol. It's nothing. I'll take it. I'll be fine.
I think I'll just go and get you food and water so you eat before you take your drugs, okay? Just wait for me. I'll be right back. Sorry. So your food, your water, everything is there. Is there anything else you want me to help you do?
No, it's okay, fine.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yeah, if I need something, I'll call you, okay?
Okay. I will be outside. Just call me if you need something.
Okay, thank you, Chimamanda.
So, how are you feeling now? How are you feeling now?
Yeah, much better.
Thank God.
Where is Obiora?
I think he's outside.
Please call him for me.
Okay, but sir, don't you think you need to go for like checkups and all?
Nah, honey, I'm better. I told you it's just a minor thing. Call Obiora for me, okay?
But you're sure you're stronger now? Okay. Let me just take this out. Obiora, where have you been? I've been looking for you. I've been calling you.
Sorry, I was already at the gate. That was why I did not pick up.
Okay, oh. Your food is ready. Oh.
Are you serious? Amanda, there's something I've been meaning to ask you. What do they use cook? What do they put for this food? Would they make Oga they react this way?
Excuse you?
No. Don't get me wrong. Just that after eating, Oga smiles. He thanks you, and then there's this excitement all over his face.
I beg you.
Carry me along now. Show me the way.
I beg you. The reason why I've been calling you is because Oga has been looking for you.
Are you serious?
Yes, he wants to talk to you.
That reminds me. Today is Saturday. He's not out of his room yet.
Yeah. Oga is sick. He has malaria.
Oga is what?
I'm telling you.
So have you called the family doctor?
He insisted that I don't call them, that he can get better by himself. But he wants to talk to you, Sha.
He wants to talk to me.
What? Why are you telling me like that?
I hope my instincts are wrong.
You think I have time for local small gossips? I didn't tell him anything unless you want to go and tell him.
Are you sure?
He's calling you, go.
Okay,
And don't forget your food, though.
I'm coming.
Come in.
Good morning, sir. Sir, Amanda told me we are not feeling too well, sir. How are you feeling now?
Yeah, I'm much better now. I woke up with a fever and I was shivering, but I'm okay now.
Okay. Sir, I think you should take some days off and rest. Eh?
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing.
Okay.
I needed to send some documents to Mr. Madabuchi. You have to submit it to his secretary.
Okay.
And then I was supposed to go to a construction site today. You have to go and oversee things. Then you give me feedback, okay?
That's okay by me, sir.
And then I'll have Kinsley go with you so that it will be easier for you as well, okay?
Okay, sir. So, sir, where do I get the documents from?
Check them at the shelf there.
Okay, sir. Let me quickly pick it and run along, sir.
That's fine.
Okay.
Baby, stop. Yes. Baby, I just got home now. You know, my car broke down on the road and I had to order a ride. Do you know how frustrating that can be? And that stupid driver could not drive me in. Oh, yes. Befitting for a senator's daughter. Yes, you know, my dad got me this house as a birthday gift. So when you come to Nigeria, babe, there will be no need for us to stay in hotels. Here is just perfect for us to stay. You know, and it's secure too. Stop. Thank you, cutie. So when are you sending me the money? All right, darling. I know, I miss you too.
I left the gate opened again. Is that not your phone? You're on a call now.
It's all these online scammers now. You know, they're just looking for who to take money off. Anyways, this Obiora at home.
No, he stepped out.
Hey.
There isn't the matter.
Nothing really. I came to check if Obiora is at home. And I don't really have money for tea fare. You know, the last money I had to give it to this poor girl. You know how these beggars are now. So I don't know if you have, you know.
Oh.
Yeah.
I understand. I'm coming.
All right. All right.
I'm coming.
Okay. Sure. Hey.
Manage this. Is that okay?
You know, I'll just manage it. You know. Thank you.
All right.
And then say me well to Obiora when he comes. All right.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
I heard you talking to somebody.
Oh, she lost her way. It's just someone. Yeah.
You're telling me my gate is wide open for anybody to walk in?
I thought as much as well, but I think Obiora left the gates open.
Get me water to drink.
Okay, sir. Sir, do you have a son?
Yes, I have a son.
Mm.
But he's out of the country. He schools abroad. He's been there for years now. I don't know what's going on. I mean, he used to be jovial, playful, and we talk all the time. Then all of a sudden, he doesn't take my call anymore. He doesn't return my calls. I miss him. And I want to see him.
Trust me, sir. I know how it feels to miss someone.
Yeah. It's like a part of you died and you can't feel it anymore.
I miss my dad.
Where is he?
He actually died in an accident.
I am so sorry.
It's okay. My entire family, we were actually living the life before the whole incident. The incident just redefined my family. My brother, I lost my brother like last year as well. My mother was also involved in an accident that made her paralyzed. So I have become the parent of my parents. She's also fine.
How did you do it? How were you able to stay active after all this?
So I'm not going to let the bad things that's happened to me in my life affect me. I won't let it break me.
Wow. You are an inspiration. Please, sit. I'm sure there is more you can tell me.
So I still have a lot to do in the kitchen.
Oh. Okay, go get it done.
Okay, sir.
Yes, come in.
Good morning, sir. So are you going to work?
Yes, I am going to work.
But you're not yet recovered now.
Yeah, but I am much better this morning.
Okay.
And I can't just leave those boys at the side. I should supervise them properly.
Okay, but this your outfit. It looks a little bit out of fashion. It's not really nice.
Chimamanda, there is nothing wrong with this one. Okay? And I'm late already, so maybe some other time you can select.
So I insist, though, you should change these clothes. You have better ones in your wardrobe now. I ironed them yesterday, so I insist. Should I get them?
Yeah, it's done, eh? Okay. Thank you.
I'll be leaving for school. I have classes by 9 a.m. I've done everything in the kitchen and any other thing you need. I should be back by 3 p.m.
That's fine.
So I think I'll just wait for you to be done so I can clear the dining table.
There's no need for that. I will clean the table once I'm done eating, okay?
No, sir, I can wait.
Chimamanda, I said there's no need for that. Alright? I'll get it done.
Okay. Sir, but my job here is to manage the house and I can't let you do that.
We left it to you. You will babysit all of us in this house. You don't want us to do anything at all. Go to school, I'll clean up when I'm done eating, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, I just remember. I will transfer some money to you for your upkeep for today, okay?
Thank you, sir, but I still have enough to take care of myself.
I know. You just add to it. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Chimamanda! Chimamanda!
Yes, sir.
I got you this shawarma. I know you've been trying your best, and it's only nice. I appreciate you. So I saw a good shawarma and I decided to buy for you. Yeah.
Oh, thank you, sir, but I can't accept it.
I insist. You will really love it, okay? Take it from me. Please.
Okay, if you insist.
Thank you very much. Yes. I heard ASU is going on strike soon. I don't know if that is true. And how was school today?
School was fine. And the ASU thing, I also read from a source that ASU is trying to meet with the government and then they'll finalize and come up with something. And then we will know if they're actually going on a strike or not.
Oh, for your sake, I hope they don't go on strike.
I hope so too.
Meanwhile, I spoke to my son today, Morgan.
Oh, how is he? Hope he's fine.
Yes, he's good. He's a graduate now, so he's coming back to Nigeria very soon.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
I miss him so much. And I'm super proud of him. He's a graduate now. Miriam and I, we gave birth to a good son.
How is your wife? I mean, Miriam. Did I say something wrong?
Enjoy your shawarma.
Sweetheart, listen to me. I want you to get rid of this pregnancy.
No. I don't want to.
Maybe you just have to. I am not ready to be a father now. Please.
But I want to keep it.
You can't keep it now. Look, what if my Oga gets to know about this now? What will I say?
What about him? Why do you care about his reaction or what he has to say? Yes. Did you think about this when you were sliding in and out of me? And now? Hey, God.
Baby, listen. If he gets to know, I am so gone. Like I'm finished. Do this for me now, Big Kunu, please. Eh?
After aborting 3 pregnancies for you this year.
Baby, just do this one. Just do this last one. Please. I'm begging you.
It's always all about you. Fine. I'll abort it. But you have to give me money for the abortion.
Of course, you know that's not going to be the problem. Money is not the issue here.
Okay. I'll
I'll
go
give
there
you.
tomorrow morning. I'll call the nurse.
Okay. You know what?
What?
For what you just did now, let me go get my phone.
Okay.
I'll send you some money.
All right.
I'm coming.
Okay. Me, Sandra, we stoop so low to get pregnant for you. And even abort. Now men having a malaria. Hello, Morgan. Hi.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, no. I've been trying to call Morgan and he's not taking my call.
Oh, your son, Morgan. Yeah, perhaps he's busy. You're the one that told me that he's always busy.
Busy? Even at that, at least he should return the call.
He will call you back. I'm very sure.
I hope so.
Sir, lunch is ready. Should I bring you upstairs?
Have you had yours?
No, sir.
Very well. Why don't you dish for both of us so we eat together, okay?
Sir?
I said dish for both of us. I'm coming downstairs so we eat together. Do as I say.
Okay, sir.
We're very curious about life, about our newfound love, and we wanted to explore. Sadly, she got pregnant. And I was scared. She was scared. We didn't really know what to do. I wanted her to take out the baby. But she said no. Unfortunately for us, she died while giving birth to my son. I had to take up responsibility at a young age, take care of my kid. I tried a couple of times to give love a chance, see if I can fall in love. But it never happened. It never happened. Until you came, Chimamanda. I don't know what you did. I don't know where to base it on, but somehow I feel something so deep for you that I've never felt before. For anyone. And I know it's confusing. To me, it's somehow to me as well. I feel somehow about it, to be honest.
Why? Is it because you're my boss?
Yes. Partly about that, because I don't want it to look like I'm taking advantage of you. Advantage of the fact you're working under me. But the truth is, I know that deep within me, you feel the same way as I feel for you. I can feel it in my heart.
What? Sad.
Please, Chimamanda. Stop calling me sir. Call me my name, Duncan.
I said I can't call you by your name. It is disrespectful to call you by your name.
It doesn't matter. It's not disrespectful to me. When a man is in love, everything is okay. Call me Duncan, call me anything you want, but not sir, okay? I understand that this is coming to you as a shock. But I need you to know that I'm patient. I just want you to think about it. Alright?
Okay, sir. Can we eat now?
Yes. Sorry I stopped us from eating in the first place.
Yes, I'm here. What is it? Oga Fire done the burn you, Abi?
Which fire?
Oga Fire na? You don't know what's in the talk, Abi?
I beg you. I don't know what you're talking about. I need to ask you something.
Okay. Go ahead.
Did Oga increase our salary?
Increase salary, kwa? No, he did not. I don't see any money. Did he increase your own?
Never mind.
Come, this your never mind, they annoy me now. Talk to me. If Oga increase your salary, tell me, might go fight for my own or say never mind.
I say he did not now. He did not.
He did not. So why are you asking? Come now, why are you asking? Did Oga increase your salary? Never mind. Bia, come. Did Oga increase your salary or say never mind? Come here.
It's coming.
Hold on, sir.
Yes. You alright?
Hold on, sir. Sir, I want to ask you. I saw an increment in the salary. I don't know if it was a mistake or something as well.
That wasn't a mistake. Look, I've been watching you for a while. You've been very diligent with your work. And I just felt like, topping up something for you as a token of appreciation.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
With all due respect, sir, I can't accept it, sir. I just started working here, sir.
What?
Yes, sir. If it's an increment because of my performance, then I think you should have told me beforehand. If it's something special, sir, I can't accept it, sir.
So what are you trying to say? I mean,
So what I'm trying to say is, I won't accept it, sir. So I will send it back to your account, sir. I cannot accept it, sir. So just give me your account number.
that won't be necessary. Come on, just you don't have to send it back to me. It's something I gave to you from my heart. It's a way of appreciating you, okay? You don't have to send it back. All right?
Let me go, sir.
Yes. Yeah, but it's something we have to discuss. Let me call you back, okay? Give me a minute.
Sir, since I couldn't get your account number, sir, I had to go to the bank to withdraw your money. Since I don't have your account number, sir, I can't take your money. Please, I can't take it.
Okay. If that is what you want, no
That
problem.
is what I want, sir. Unless you don't want me to work for you anymore. I just want to focus on my academics, my job here, and my family. I don't want anything else. Please, sir.
Okay.
Can I go now?
Yes, you can.
Thank you, sir. Sir.
Chimamanda,
Yes, sir.
the last time I checked, this is my room. And you must here enter before you do. Is that clear?
I'm sorry, sir.
Do you see how dusty everywhere is? Yes. It's very, very dusty. And I need you to go get something and start to clean. You need sparkling clean. I've not been to work for days. Of course, it's messy. So get to work.
My job is in the kitchen, no here.
What did you say?
Nothing, sir.
Good. Those are my laundry. I need you to take them and go and wash them. Now, I don't want them washed with washing machine. Use your hand. I need proper hand washing.
My what?
Do you have any problem with that?
But
what? Don't I pay you enough for you to wash my clothes? Is that an issue? You don't want the job anymore? Do you want to lose the job?
I wash it, sir.
What's with this whole attitude? I don't understand. Take them and go and wash them, bring something and clean this place up. Now. Chimamanda.
Yes, sir.
Do you know what the time says? Is this the right time to serve me breakfast? Huh? You don't know I have work to do? That I'll sit here for over 30 minutes waiting for you to bring my breakfast?
I'm sorry, sir.
You're sorry? Did I pay you to tell me you're sorry? Look, I don't know where your head is, but whatever that is going on in your head, you better get yourself together. Because I paid you to serve me food at the right time and in the right proportion. I don't want this to repeat itself again. Am I clear?
I'm sorry, sir.
Take this food out of here. I've lost my appetite. Get it out of here. Now.
I'm sorry, sir.
I don't want this to repeat itself.
Would you believe Mr. Duncan hasn't been touching my food since?
Oga fire don't catch you last. I told you.
What fire?
You don't know.
I beg, get out. I beg, I'm serious here now.
You go still more fire they come. Relax. No be for this house. You don't know Oga, Abi?
What's his problem now?
I believe everything will be fine soon.
Good evening, sir.
Welcome, sir. Yes, sir.
Did you do the stuff I asked you to do?
Yes, sir. Everything went well, sir.
I need to rest. I'm tired.
Obiara, this is what I'm telling you. He did not even answer my greeting.
It's usually like that sometimes.
What's all this now?
Let me go and clean his car.
Sir, here are some of the clothes I ironed for you. Which one? Which one?
Chimamanda,
Yes, sir.
let today be the last day you will ever lay hands on my clothes.
Why, sir?
Your job is to cook. So focus on your office, which is in the kitchen. Leave my clothes for Obiora. Is that clear?
Sir, what did I do wrong to you? You don't eat my food. You don't answer my greetings. You don't allow me do anything for you again. What did I do wrong to you now?
I would not repeat myself.
Let me keep your clothes in the wardrobe.
Drop my clothes here and leave my room.
I don't know what to do.
Why are you acting like a child? He loves you. He wants you. So ask yourself if you really want him as much as he wants
To be
you.
honest, I don't know. I've started feeling something for him, but I'm not sure. I don't know.
Go for him. Don't wait for too long.
What?
You don't need to feel anything. Go for him.
All right. All right. Thank you.
Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. What do you mean 26 bags of cement is not enough? When I gave you that contract, I told you personally to make your quotation, and you did. You said it's 26 bags of cement, and now you're telling me it's 35. No. I'm a very principled and a straightforward businessman. If I tell you to do something and you give me your quotation, that is what I stand on, and that is final. So whatever you're saying I don't want to hear is as simple as that. Do not call me for anything. What is this? Come in.
food because you have not been eating my food. But I want to have a conversation with you. Can I drop this here? Can I come closer?
So Amanda, say what you have to say.
Okay. So I know you've been acting petty. I know it's because of the last conversation we had. And if it were to be another person, I would have quit my job by now. But the whole pettiness actually made me realize how insensitive I have been. And it also made me realize that I think I'm in love with you, sir. Yeah. I think I love you. I think the feeling is mutual.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm very sure. I thought about it. I took my time. I think there's something there.
I don't even know what to say. I'm so sorry for being harsh on you.
It's okay. It's okay.
I really do love you, Chimamanda. I do from my heart. And I'm so happy you feel the same way. Come here.
So will you eat my food now?
Yes, another hug would be nice.
So should I serve you?
What did you cook?
Rice.
So, one condition, we're eating together.
Sure.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
I love you, but this is just not me. I know other girls like receiving gifts as their love language, but mine is to see my partner happy. That's all.
Wow. Do girls like you still exist?
Of course, we do. So yeah.
I'm so happy to have you in my life.
Me too.
Sorry. I'm so sorry. I wanted us to do this when we are married. Okay? I don't want it to look like I am rushing you or anything.
Okay.
Does that work?
Yeah.
You understand, right?
Mm-hmm. Chill. Hey.
Well,
So let me remove you now. Just chill first.
it's 3, 6,
3.
3.
Chill.
Carry
1,
on.
2, 3. Should I have removed one already?
Mm-hmm.
Where is it?
6. You've not used it. You've not removed any.
I removed one
So
now.
you put it back.
Oh, one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Mm-hmm.
So 363, yeah?
363.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3.
So what happened?
Damn.
There's nothing you can do. I'm good to go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. That's 1, 2, 6, yeah?
Yeah, remaining 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's the best you can do.
Yeah.
Talk to me. Who is going?
You.
8. I need to kill somebody. This guy is my target. Any other thing that happen? Before I forget, yes, I spoke to Morgan today.
Wait, he finally called you.
That my son. Sometimes he acts as if he has mental problem. He called. I least expected that. And he'll be coming back next week.
Really? I can't wait to see your honorable, beautiful son, the one you're so passionate about.
Can't wait for him to come back. Well, I didn't tell him about us.
Oh.
Yeah, I wanted it to be a surprise.
Oh. I understand.
I know you will like him. He's a good boy.
Okay. Let me finish this game first.
Yes, I mean, I'm about to win you. Or what? You want to win me?
Chill. 2-1. Yeah? Go home.
Okay.
Oh my god.
But that's not you. Yeah.
Damn. Damn. 1, 2.
Yeah. I have to retaliate.
Yeah.
Talk to me.
Can't retaliate. I've won.
6. Shit. 7. Okay.
I've won already.
You have.
No, right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
But you have seen my own. That's shitty. After I play this one now, I'll win you and then I will
Go to bed.
go and leave you. 6-4. Now. Who is this? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Uh-huh.
Oh, there.
No, nothing is happening. Just bring out 1.
4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's it. Alright, time for somebody to go. Give me 1. What's going on now?
I think we'll just keep playing this thing. Please, let me go and sleep.
Yes.
It's already.
It's alright.
Yeah.
We should go to bed. Talk tomorrow, okay?
Yeah. Good night.
I can't wake you up. Good night.
Good night. Don't stay up late, though.
Well, I have no choice. Do I? So no kiss? Nothing? Good night. Okay. Yes, home.
A minute.
I know.
You know, for a minute, I thought you were taking me to somebody's house.
I know you're not familiar with this one.
Wow. Where is this place?
These are the part of the things I wanted us to discuss, son. I bought this place a few months ago.
Wow. Damn. I'll name this Gomez Duncan. That's what I'll do. This is Gomez Duncan.
You still name things? Very typical of you, son. You know, when you were a child, you named everything in your room, including your boxes. Yes, I remember this one, you called it cargo. And then the popular one, Kasha Kasha.
I remember Kasha Kasha. I do. Damn. Wow. Okay. Honestly speaking, this is a wonderful masterpiece. Damn, I love it.
I know.
Wow.
You're welcome, son.
I can't wait to see all of it.
Let's go inside.
My bags.
Okay.
Let's go. Oh, nice. Super. Chimamanda.
You two know each other? You two know each other?
Is he your son?
What I'm trying to say is that you cannot marry her. It's not possible. You can't marry that girl. It's not possible.
Why? Son, we are engaged. All arrangements made. I took a pause because I wanted my son by my side to witness it.
Wow. So would it have been too kind if you put a call across to me or maybe send me her pictures? That would have been too kind. That would have been too kind.
Call you?
Yes, call me. Like a good father will.
Have you lost your memory? Did I not call? How many times did I call you, son? You never picked. Neither did you return my calls.
Wow. Go on. Crucify me for concentrating on the studies you sent me to go and do. I was only trying to concentrate. I had nothing to do. I wanted to communicate. You know how much I wanted to. No, I could not because I was concentrating. That's what I'm doing.
So now I should be blamed for trying to keep up with my business.
What I'm trying to say is that girl.
Morgan.
That girl.
Morgan. Is there something you want to tell me?
So this is who you are. Right? Just few years I spent abroad, jumped into bed with my father.
Stop it. Stop it right now.
Stop what exactly? What am I stopping? Talk to me. Tell me, what am I stopping?
Can you hear yourself? You haven't even listened to my side of the story, yet you judge me.
I don't care about whatsoever part of the story you have to tell. I don't.
Wait, are you going to listen to me or not?
You know what? I am not listening. I don't care.
Then we have nothing to talk about.
Yeah, we don't, right? But remember, all those while we're dating in secondary school, I saw all these red flags. You know what? I should have noticed them, but no, I did not. I followed you not knowing that you were a chameleon. That's what you are. A chameleon.
For the last time, are you going to listen to my own side of the story or not?
Permit me if I don't want to listen. I'm not interested. I don't want to.
Fine. I'm done.
Right. No, it's easy for you to say you're done. You know I loved you, Amanda. I did. All this while you did not call me. You did not text me. You did not try to reach me at all. I've been out there looking for you. Looking for ways to reach you. But no, you didn't do any of that. And you're here, lavish and staying in my father's house.
That is what I'm trying to explain.
I said I'm not interested. Don't you get it? I am not. Ha! Damn you, Amanda! Damn you!
we dated in secondary school. During and after secondary school. But that was when my dad died. And I had to go to the village. Because of the burial and everything, I was not really available, but I tried to reach out to him. I called him. I texted him. I did all this, but I could not get to him. I tried my best. And after the burial, I came back. I had to hustle in Lagos. I still looked for him. Everywhere. I could not find him. How would I have known that you would have a grown-up son like that? I never knew. I don't know what to think. I don't even know. He doesn't even want to believe me. Whenever he sees me, he thinks I'm a beast. I'm not a beast. I don't know. I never knew.
It's okay. It's not your fault. It's okay, and I don't want you looking like this all day.
No, he thinks it's my fault. He doesn't want to listen to me. I know him. He won't even listen to me.
It's okay, alright? It's okay.
I don't think I can do this anymore.
No.
I don't think I can do this anymore.
We are engaged. We can't do this. We can't. It's okay. It's okay. It's not your fault.
I don't think I can do this anymore.
You can't do this, okay? You can't. Son, we need to talk.
I'm not having any conversation if she's still in this house.
Do you realize she's my wife to be?
Really? And do you realize that she used to be my girl?
Used to be. Now, whose fault is it that you abandoned her with no word? She searched for you everywhere, all to no avail. And you never really cared, did you?
So what I don't understand is this. How you, of all people, do not even think or is able to understand the fact that this girl we're talking about used to be my girlfriend.
She loves me now. And I love her too. That is all that matters.
Oh wow. Father of the year. She loves you now. And you love her. That's all that matters, right? Do you even think about how I feel? That the girl that I have been with is going to be waking up in your room every morning. I'm going to see her wake up with you every morning. How do you think? What do you think about that?
Morgan, be careful.
No, I would not be careful. Because think about this, you're being selfish. All you think about is yourself. What you want, your selfish interest. Do you think about me? How I feel psychologically or emotionally? No.
And what about what she wants?
Oh.
Have you thought about that?
Wow. You're gonna sit down here and validate our feelings but not mine? That's what you are? Father of the year? You know what? She's leaving this house and that's fine now.
It's not for you to say, son. Not while I'm still alive.
Cool.
We are not done talking. Morgan?
Come on. Stop now. Don't mind him. He's sleeping, Jerry. Come.
What if he comes down?
He will not. Why are you resisting
Why your body
me
dey
now?
hot like this?
You know you're always sweet.
Are you sure?
Uh-huh. Now, come on. Who is your dealer?
You, of course. Who else?
Are you sure? I think so you go talk to that abroad guy.
Abroad guy, okay. Now you I want now. You know now.
If you say so. Now, that reminds me. What about that your abroad guy? It's been a while you spoke with him, right?
That one. He even told me that he's back to Nigeria.
Are you
And he wanted me
serious?
to come and see him. I told him I traveled to Abuja to see my sister and I'll see him next weekend. Like, I don't want to see him.
What are you saying? This is a big jackpot now. Why they do like this? Go meet this guy, collect some dollar for us now.
I beg you, that one just they talk marriage. And me, I'm not ready for marriage. That one not dey my own agenda.
Wait till they talk. So wait till you do your agenda. So they walk out from one street to the other, abi?
Why they talk like
If I
this?
give you slap.
What's with that one? See, I beg you, I'm not ready for that prison called marriage.
Are you done watching the car?
Yeah, it's just the tire remaining.
Sandra, is that you?
What were you doing with her? Tell me! What were you doing with her? I swear, she's just a friend. Bloody liar! Yes! Morgan! No! No! Leave this! I swear to God! Stop this madness! No! Leave me! Let me be! I swear to God! Leave me! Go! No! Boy! No!
Chimamanda, Silva, Azizat, Tonya. Why? Series of failed relationships. Why? Is it my fault? It's not my fault. It's women. Women are stupid. They'll stain your white. Very stupid set of people. But for Chimamanda, I swear, I will fight this fight till wherever it takes me, I will. I swear I will fight this fight. I swear. I'll fight this fight. I would never let her. I will. I'll fight this fight. No, Chimamanda!
Hey, son. Hey, yeah.
Thank you, I'm not interested.
Hey, come on, son. It's already here. Just take it.
I said I don't want it. I told you I don't want to drink it, or you want to force this on me also. I don't want it.
You know,
I am not interested in having this long conversation you want to have. I don't want to. Please. I don't even want to have this conversation. Just let me be. I don't want to have this conversation with you, please.
Okay. What do you think about the new Manchester United coach?
Bloody hell.
Chi, what is this?
That will not be a reason why a father and a son will fight. I can't.
Look, we are going to sort this out right now, okay? But you don't have to leave, please.
I've made up my mind. I'm leaving, and that's fine now.
Son, wake up. Wake up. We need to talk. Yeah, good morning. I've been thinking. Couldn't sleep last night because I was thinking about us. I was thinking about this our feud. You know your father. I'm not a man of chaos. And I'm not a fool to see that you are still in love with Chimamanda. I could tell now, after what you did yesterday.
Well, I don't want her anymore. Don't.
Come on, come on. I know you still love her. I know. And I know what you're thinking. And maybe I've had something to do with her. You see, all I did was engage her. And I needed my son to come back so we can make the proper arrangements before anything could happen. So, if it's to bring you any comfort, I've not touched her. So, you can have her.
Thank you so much, Dad. Thanks. I really appreciate this.
It's okay. You are my son. And it's only just. Now, can we go look for her?
Why? I don't even know where.
She has this friend called Dikeh. They used to stay together before she moved in with me. I think she might still be there. I know the place. She took me there once.
Can we go there?
I was expecting to hear that.
Okay, can we go now?
Yeah, if you take your shower.
Okay.
Where? It doesn't look like somebody lives here.
Definitely.
No, this building is uncompleted.
This is where I came.
I doubt. I'm not sure, Dad. I'm not sure anybody lives here. No, Dad, look, just take a look at it. There's nothing here.
This is where I came. This is number 30. Yeah, this is number 30. Hello? Hello?
Hello? Hello?
What are you guys doing here?
I told you, what are you guys doing here?
Just calm down, okay? I am sorry. No, I know that I put you through a lot. My son. Just came to apologize for everything.
Hey.
Now I know better and I understand what is going on. And I'm sorry.
Jimmy, listen to me, see. I'm really sorry. I know I have said some hurtful words to you, but it wasn't intentional. I called you so much, I couldn't reach you. Seeing you here was a confusion to me. I didn't know what to do. I'm sorry, please find a way in your heart to forgive me and my dad. Please, Jimmy. For old time's sakes, please.
Chimamanda, I know that we have put you through a lot. And the truth is, I have decided to end any quest or any pursuit I have towards you. For my son, I know he loves you and he still loves you. If you still have a place in your heart for him, please, open it for him.
Jimmy, please, for everything that I've done wrong, please just forgive me. I beg of you, please.